I know how it feels to wake up fucked up, mind twisted, heart rush. Plus you go out doing the same thing every day, hustling hard, struggling far past from the average pain. But you got a code to your name, and the criteria to the game has to be followed thoroughly, if not then lose your brain. And with a lost mind, the concept of making this money just isn't the same. And as a little kid I wished for fortune and fame, the glamour and changes so that y'all, but we aren't the same. This is just the vision for armed and praying, and actually getting up, getting self-involved. I'm the same, I bust my ass every fucking minute, I ain't playing. But before you get right back up to make the statements to say, fuck you bitches, lose my money and I'm always here to stay. But don't forget the bastards don't give you your money. You better turn predators on all competitors and start spraying. Cause if you're worse than prison worthy, you actually construct a frame. The other bitches say you won't be cheated from this cheese. Yeah, no more dog, never again. I started small fry selling weed and money. The productivity changed and paved the new way to make more in exchange. So the innovative idea of cocaine became a structural outlook to making this goddamn cake. But no one really knows the fact your life is gonna be at stake. It's quite an underrated fate. But once you realize this lifestyle can fake, naturally you get more chaotic and cynically insane. And you need to own a gun. If you don't own one, you better give up the supply. Your place getting cooked up for done. I've never been a small cat, I've always had a ball sack. A gutsy son of a bitch that had me quickly fall back. So fall back and give me my dash. This mutual respect, that's what you call that. And I'ma take control of this game, a big opinion on a small fact. Wicked, bladder, tech, black.